old refrigerator. What was I gonna think? And again, how am I gonna figure out what to eat? Oh, hi, Fire. Daniel cannot see me in his fridge. Oh. Looks like I'm looking for the other Gatorade from yesterday. Do you know where it is? Great. Did Daniel see this Gatorade? No. I guess I'm good. Fire? Daniel. Where's that Gatorade? I drank it from yesterday. Aha! Found it. Thanks, Fire. You're the best dragon in the world. Huh? The Gatorade? Yep, I told him. Blue, T-Rex, you're the best. I should drink blue stuff more often.